So this is our first time doing the interior room. We are in room 2353. PJ, come here and say hi.
Hi.
Okay. Go in. So this is an interior room, deck 2. Light switch here. So closet area. Space up there, some hangers. Another closet. This is the general look of all the closets. Life jacket. More life jackets down here. And another closet with a full length mirror. But lots of storage actually. Another mirror, as you can see. These two. But you got the 2 beds pushed together. If it was more of us in here, these beds that are in the ceiling, PJ, turn the light on, would come down if there were 4 people in this cabin. But it's just the 3 of us. You got switches to turn on the light here, as well as some USB. Same thing on the other side.
Mommy.
Yeah, a little table. Yes, baby. A little table, and then this is your drawers. And same down there, trash can. Mirror. PJ, what are you doing? What are you doing? You faking. You faking. TV.
Tip number 1. Your stateroom is where you will start your vacation.
And bathroom. Some shelves here. Towels. And your shower with, what is that? The shower curtain. Womp womp womp. Say womp womp womp. You got shampoo and shower gel. Yep. Okay.
What's that?
Thank you, sir. And that is our room. First time in the interior, so we will see how this goes. We usually, we always book about 3. So this is our first time. So we'll see if we will be booking interiors moving forward. I doubt it, but here we are.